So we're doing a blade, using all our blades and battle all of them, and
at the same time.
And this is what kind of ripper, and
No fair, by the way. No fair, by the way.
My dad's using these rippers.
I gotta use like 800 old rippers, and Captain Stubing over there gets to use all the cool ones. But anyway.
So.
All right.
We're gonna start.
You ready, Rip Master?
Yeah.
All right. Call it out.
Go!